Hello, my name is Nisha. Welcome to the channel, and this is going to be a bit abrupt and candid video because I didn't plan for it, and all of a sudden I got reminded of this, so I thought let me share this with you. So there is an online national portal where you are offered courses for undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma courses, certificate courses, and even for class 11th and 12th by NCERT. And the best part is you can do the courses from here, complete the courses, and if you want this to be reflected in your college degree certificate है ना जिसमें subjects वगैरह mention होते हैं, you can do that too. What this means is you can replace courses that are offered by your institution with the courses that you did on SWAM along with the marks and credit system, everything, and that is it. So as per the guidelines or directives of the UGC, you can complete 20% of your total credit from SWAM. Like if your institution, whatever university you are enrolled in, has a total 100, let's say 100 credit course, so what it means is in the 3 years of your UG or 2 year of your PG, all the courses that you do come together to be as 100 credits. Then in that case you can do 20%, that is 20 credits from SWAM and 80 credits you need from your university. This is what SWAM allows you to do, and because it is national and because it is government certified, there is no problem, no other kind of fraud or anything like that you can think of. To just name the few institutions that are part of this is all the IITs in India, like IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati, IIT Mandi. Okay, so these are IIT Kanpur. Oh, sorry. These are all the IITs I can think of right now. And then you have Jadavpur University, University of Hyderabad, Kerala Central University, St. Xavier's University, St. Xavier's IGNOU, NCERT, तो चलो करते ही है, NIOS, just to name a few of the universities that are part of it, and the kind of courses that are offered from engineering to animation to designing to literature, humanities, foreign languages, all kind of courses you can do from here. And just to show you how it looks, I mean, here we go. So this is the SWAM portal, and if you this is it, and you just need to log in. Our university made us log in. We were compulsorily made to do certain number of credits from SWAM. So if you here click on all courses, you'll have the list of courses that are offered by by SWAM, and it goes on everything. There are vocational courses as well, vocational in terms of you can also load more. This is only, we have reached only to B, and it has courses till, I mean, A to Z, all kind of courses. Just if you want to know about humanities, you can just click here for humanities, and here you have the courses. American Literature and Culture course, I'm just naming the literature courses that are offered. Linguistics, European history, because you need to know European history for your basic understanding of English literature. And then you have gender sensitization, tribal, okay. Cultural studies courses. Someone who wants to learn Russian. Body language. Okay, fine. not digressing much. Culture studies again by Jadavpur University. Film studies, film appreciation, feminist writing again by IIT Madras. And history of English literature. Here we have history of English literature, language and literature. Indian writing in English, Indian society, Japanese language, introduction to literary theory. Okay, let's check this one, because literary theory is one among the most difficult sections of literature people find. Let's see how is Professor Syant Chattopadhyay. So here you can have a brief introduction of this chapter and a brief introduction of the course and the professor. So if you like him, let's see, IIT Technology, IIT Kanpur.
Dear friends, thank you for your interest in this lecture series titled Introduction to Literary Theory. Now, it is widely acknowledged that at least since the second half of the 20th century, the field of English literary studies has come to be increasingly characterized by the use of words either ending in the suffix ism or starting with the prefix post. And here I am thinking of dialogism, formalism, structuralism, post-structuralism, postmodernism, post-colonialism, and really the list seems to be endless. From a layman's perspective, literary theory is a sum total of all these different isms and posts which today inform the study of literature. These words, which have come to signify theory.
Okay, so you can watch this, and if you like this, you can go for join here, and you need to like update your information here as you log in, and you need to review and join course. Okay, so sorry, I forgot this. Join course. This is it. Okay, you already have the course started. You have first week uploaded already. This is week 1, and if you want to see what the week 1 contains, here we go. It has videos basically. For some courses I've done, it's 10-minute videos. For some courses it's 30 minutes. So this is a 1 hour. Okay, fine, this is 1 hour video. Okay, fine, this is an 1 hour video. You have video script, transcript as well, and you have a PDF of what the professor is talking about. You can download it from here for future reference as your notes, or you can just print it out. Let's say if you don't want to join the course and you're just window shopping and you just want to know a bit of information about the course, you can do that too through the portal. You can just go to like as we did, and here you have course outline, okay, and here you have books and reference. So you can also get to know which are the best of the books that are available in your subject, and you can get those books from like get the name of these books from here and buy them for your own personal self-study. You don't have to join the course, just like the books and reference that we all search for on YouTube, na? He must have books for this course, or must have books for history, must have books for literature theory. Here it is. Here you have it all available, mentioned, so you can search that out, search the book out and buy the books for your own self-study. What is another best point about SWAM is you can do the course free of cost, like for studying. As we just joined in, now we started with the course, there is no charge that you are asked for, there is no fee. But if you want this certificate that you completed this course from SWAM, and thus you can get it reflected in your degree, in that case you'll have to pay ₹1,000 as the examination fee. So what basically happens is, just like our courses, you have assignments and you have exams. Though 75% of your course is part of your assignments, and 75% of your marks obtained is the exam that is proctored, or maybe online ही होता है सारे exams तो usually. But yes, so in that case you'll have to apply for you'll have to fill in the examination form and pay ₹1,000 for any course that you do. हर course के लिए you have ₹1,000 as the fee. But if you don't want that, so you can simply do the courses. And I have heard from acquaintances of mine that there are many people who got into prestigious universities and entrance वगैरह निकालने के लिए, they by just watching these videos, so you can do that too. कोई टेंशन नहीं है, सब अच्छे से हो जाएगा. So yes, this is the SWAM portal, and if you want to enroll yourself, get enrolled yourself right now, because most of these enrollments are only till 31st. Okay, so there are some that have 31 July as their end enrollment deadline, or else just enroll yourself soon because otherwise you will not be able to. These are upcoming courses or like whose enrollments are open, and then you'll have ongoing courses जो जिनके enrollments close हो गए हैं, and these okay animation वाला close हो चुका है. See इतने सारे के courses and enrollment ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. तो if you want to let's say apply for some, you won't be able to because there will be no option to join. नहीं है, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक सेमेस्टर, जब सेमेस्टर बिगनिंग होता है तब इस पे एनरोलमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं और सेमेस्टर एंड पे एग्जाम्स हो जाते हैं तुम्हारे. तो इस लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ द होल स्ट्रक्चर ना, बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट्स विद योर सेमेस्टर एंड एंड्स विद योर सेमेस्टर, यू कैन एक्चुअली डू योर कोर्सेस and use them as a part of your semester. So let's say this is your third sem going on, तो तुम स्वयं से courses कर सकते हो and you can get it reflected on your third sem mark sheet, है ना. तो this is why they correspond it with your sem examinations and like sem beginning. So yes, go on, enroll and enjoy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a... Okay, so I'm sounding like all other YouTubers. Fine. मतलब like, share, subscribe जो भी कुछ होता है. And yeah, see you soon. Bye bye. And if you just want to see the list of courses I applied for, it was just so much.